Hey, welcome to Ben Mechanic Shop. So here I got the Dodge Ram that's misfiring at cylinder number 3. Now you might not know how to tell which cylinder is what on your vehicle. I'm gonna show you a quick trick so that you can find out. So everything always starts from the driver's seat. So if you sit down in your car and you look forward, well, this is the left side of your vehicle. This is the right side of your vehicle, so the passenger side's your right side. And it's going to be the same for your engine. So you're going to look at it like you were looking at it from your sitting into the driver's seat. And it's just going to be like reading a book or anything that you would read usually. So you start at the corner top left, and then you go across to the right, and then back down to the left and across again, just like reading a book. So you'll have your cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So again, if we go forward here, stay onto your driver's side. So the first cylinder at the front, cylinder number 1, and then across cylinder number 2, and you go towards the back of the vehicle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well, hopefully this is helpful to you. It works like that on every single vehicle out there, so this is always what you have to do to figure it out. Subscribe for the next videos, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks how to fix your Dodge Ram. Alright, see you in the next video.